Welcome back, guys. First off, today is such a gorgeous day out. In fall, end of October. It doesn't get much nicer than this this time of year up here. But man, it's cold, but it's nice. Right now we are taking out the 33. We are getting really close to finishing the braking period, so probably after this weekend, especially being nice out, the HKS 2.8 stroker kit will be fully broken in. So, and then we could really see what she could do now. What we're doing today, I don't even know how this happened, but we are meeting up with Tyler. Somehow Tyler got the Gran Turismo audio team for the new Gran Turismo game coming out on PS5 to record his Supra. So his Supra will be the Mark IV Supra sound in the new Gran Turismo game coming out early next year. So that's really exciting. Hopefully it makes for an entertaining video. Regardless, it's going to be awesome to see this, and just the fact you're going to play Gran Turismo, one of the most anticipated racing games of like all time, on a new platform. Whenever you drive the Mark V Supra, you're going to be hearing Tyler's actual car. So that's really something special. I know right now they are hooking up to Hub Dyno. We'll get there as soon as I can and I'll start recording, just jump right into it. And man, just enjoying this beautiful day, breaking in the HKS 2.8 liter stroker motor with DR500 turbos and bigger injectors. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're somewhere here. I don't know exactly where this is. It's an Adventures.
The destination is on the right.
It says I'm here.
What up, what up?
What's up, man? I followed the GPS. Is it like some industrial looking buildings?
Yeah, go all the way to the back. You'll see some Porsches out front.
Oh,
in fact,
Porsche.
I can hear you, I think.
Alright.
So, cool.
Alright, be there in a second.
All right, bye.
Follow the Porsches, so that's the word. Guess I just didn't go down far enough. Look for the Porsches. Oh, I see some Porsches. Oh, I see a Porsche. Oh, I see a Porsche on the lift. There we go. There's Tyler. You can see that they're working on his car right now, getting it all set. Yeah, well, this is exciting. You know, every day is an awesome time for a dyno day. But look at 33, looking good in the sun. I need to redo those tires though. Yeah, not looking too bad. Well, before I go in and bring the camera, I'll make sure I allow to record certain things, and yeah, hopefully it turns out. We are at Dundon Motorsports. We actually got his car hooked up to the dyno right now. They have all the mics set up. As of right now, I can't record in there too much because where they put all the camera placements is super secret. It's just cool experience. It's too bad you guys can't be here. Like meeting the guy that's in charge of the whole audio thing for the Gran Turismo game. And for those that don't know, when I first found out about the Skyline, the 33, like I said, it was the first one that I found out as a kid. First Skyline that I've seen was in the original Gran Turismo game on PlayStation 1. And we're here shooting audio for the new Gran Turismo game on the PS5. I mean, this is cool. I'm just excited to be here and just learn about it. But anyways, they need another Mark V, so we hit up my WRX channel. I gave him a call, and he sent it over here, and we're gonna record the Mark IV Supra and the Mark V Supra. And then I'll try to get some footage in there later. Talk to Mike, he's the one in charge of the team here, and see if we can get the camera placement where it doesn't show off their stuff. So I don't know, this is just really cool. All right, so we got the go-ahead to get some footage of them recording the audio of the Supra. It's only gonna be one angle. I can't walk around, you know, show the microphone, but they're about to do a pull. Oh, what do you think of that?
I might have destroyed myself.
Dang. But man, this is cool. This is really cool. Yeah, they obviously have microphones all the way around this thing and hooking up to the dyno. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. By the way, there's a Porsche GT3 up here. GT3 RS. Yeah, I don't know if you could hear me in there. I don't want to yell too much because I don't want my voice to get on the audio. Even though as cool as that would be, you know, every time you gun it on the Supra in the game, you just hear me talking. But yeah, at least we could get some footage of the front view. So anyways, Tyler, what do you think, man? Your car is going to be the car sound for Gran Turismo.
It's like kid in a candy shop, like seriously. This is like amazing. It's also one of those things that you can really only brag to people who are here, because otherwise who's gonna believe you?
Yeah, well that's why I have this. But when you see this, it probably won't be till the game's released. And what's today? October, it's right before Halloween.
Yeah,
and,
October 30th, yes.
So just know, October 30th, 2021, and you will see this when the game releases, right? Is that our stipulation?
That's the stipulation, yeah.
Okay. But at least we're getting it. Oh man. So obviously they're putting different loads on it, different aspects to get different sound, so he's not full gunning it all the time. This isn't dyno for tuning the car, this is dyno strictly for audio. So sometimes you'll hear him really gun it, get all the way to red line or let off, because yeah, they need all sorts of stuff for the game. So this is a bunch of audio clips. This is crazy. This is cool. Tyler didn't even know he was making that much power. So actually I tried to point it out on the dyno chart, like 606 wheel horsepower and 580 something or something of torque.
612, 569.
Dang, I need to step up my game. I thought I was getting close. Oh my god. Doug, help me out, man. Get this faster. I'm just saying, you guys are great. JR, my WRX channel, the second Supra to get audio tested. So what's up, man? You excited for this?
Oh yeah, man.
The Gran Turismo. So now your car will be the Mark V's of all Gran Turismo.
Yeah,
sound.
Gotta come here and represent.
Yeah. All right, Tyler's car's all done for all the audio. This is cool. And JR's is going to be next. We're going to put that on. Shout out to the Gran Turismo team. They're actually buying us all food here shortly, so we're all going to have lunch and start doing the Mark V.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, we'll get that. Yeah.
Try not to get in your shadow. Hey, now your car drove right underneath the Porsche. All right, pizza came in. Thanks, Mike from the Gran Turismo team. He's hooking us up. And then look at all that. We're gonna record around here a little bit after I eat, but the Dundon Motorsports shop. Sorry, someone has to pinch me. This is a dream. All right, let's see what we got. Bunch of GT3 RS's. Like I said, I don't know anything about Porsche, but
We're gonna buy one day.
yeah, this is JR's actually doing the paperwork to get this one right now. We're just trying to source a motor.
Maybe this orange one. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. Got sweet exhaust here and by the way, this is Anthony from Dundon. Can you tell me a little bit about the shop if you don't mind? Because I know nothing about like this or like.
So Dundon Motorsports is a aftermarket Porsche company that designs aerodynamic components,
Hence the
exhaust
stickers.
components.
Is that?
Yeah, that's for 3D scanning.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, so we take a scanner and we get a whole half-car scan, and then develop aerodynamics like that.
Development, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And over here we got a badass Hollander transmission.
A what?
Sequential.
A honk.
That's a Hollander sequential.
Hollander sequential.
Yep.
Dang. So that's like the one stick and you pull it and
Yep.
it goes.
You just pull back.
Man,
Yeah.
I really need to up my game here. That's crazy. Yeah, no, this is awesome, man. I appreciate this. He's the one that's setting up all the dyno for getting the audio for the car, so this is really cool.
Our new 992.
So this is like
That's the
2021?
992, yeah.
992, huh?
Car has 35 miles on it. Took it all apart to scan it, design parts for it.
Nice. Big old monologue too, huh?
Oh yeah.
Well, Tyler, if we trade and give them both our cars, we could probably get that wheel. Right there. But man, this is cool. Didn't expect today. That's awesome.
Yeah, we don't have a crack pipe car here.
I don't know if you could hear that well on this camera because my stuff sucks, but that thing is loud. Man, this place is pretty rad. Dundon Motorsports. That's pretty cool that they design all their aerodynamics and all that stuff they do. They do it all themselves. That's something cool. Glad they showed me that. Check that out. So we'll go see what's going on with the JR's car now. I know we had some issues trying to get the dyno to work with it, but here it is sitting here. What do you think of that, man?
Oh, dude, this sounds fucking wicked, dude.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Oh, yeah.
Well, how much horsepower was that?
I don't know.
It was like 5.
Well, we're at 450. First,
450 something?
First one.
Okay.
We'll see where we're at now.
All right, finished it all up. JR's car's getting all unhooked.
Yeah, smaller vehicles like 86.
It's gonna have some nice popping on the audio now.
Yeah.
You excited to play that game and
Yeah.
we like start it up?
I
And,
know, but we won't see this video for like a few
Yeah.
months later.
I'll edit it, but it's gonna be premiered on the March.
6 months later,
Yeah.
after we're filming this, you'll
Yeah.
see it.
October
Halloween
30th. Halloween tomorrow.
You know that?
2021. And you'll see this
I want to see all
2022.
the kids with their Squid Game costumes
Oh,
all
dude.
around, you know?
We had a Halloween party and someone brought a Squid Game costume.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. She was 001.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why I like people driving my car sometimes, so that way I could, you
Here's
know,
from the inside, never from the outside.
get a third-person view type of thing.
Yeah.
All right, guys, just want to say thank you to Mike here. He's the one doing the Gran Turismo audio, so be sure to check out the game because I know I'm super excited. So
Solid.
yeah, thanks again, man.
Yeah, you bet.
Shortly after I received my car with the RB28 stroker kit, we filmed the recording, and I needed to do the 500-mile break-in. Well, I already hit my 500 miles, and I am currently draining the oil in there. Yeah, we're currently draining the 500-mile break-in period oil, and we are going ahead and trying out some nice AMS oil, full synthetic oil. So this is I usually run royal purple in the 32 just because I don't know, I like it, but we're doing a little bit more power now, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot. Thank you Tyler2JZ for letting me come along on this journey, and my WRX channel for showing up and getting his car recorded, and huge thank out to Gran Turismo. The Gran Turismo 7 game on PS5, and guess what? Here's my box for PS5. Got that on launch day. But anyway, so I'm just super excited. This childhood game, and then to actually be a part of it, and even the smallest way is amazing. A couple days from now, I'm probably gonna get a call, and then I know they were talking about recording my car too. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I originally seen the R33 in the original Gran Turismo 1 on PlayStation 1. And then now the fact that new generation older, I have my childhood car, dream car basically, in my childhood game. So this is just crazy. Huge shout out to Gran Turismo. Make sure you pick up that game and you'll see me online. While I work on this, have a good one.